What a beautiful skyline over Grand Forks right now, the home of economy location, capturing that beautiful scene, the setting sun on a gorgeous Monday afternoon where we saw records across the area smash. Now, we do have changes in the offing. We're going to get started with that right away because we do have one more very warm day where records will fall on your Tuesday. After that, Wednesday, first alert weather day. Here's the latest. Now, the European model has not changed a lot. Consistent run-to-run snow track from the Southern Valley into northern Minnesota as we go through the day on Wednesday. But the cold air will already be in place for most of the area. Now, there could be some mixed precipitation as things get going early in the day on Wednesday to the east, so some slippery conditions, but by midday, temperatures in the 30s, gusty north winds, and a spreading area of rain and snow. Notice the Devil's Lake Basin, Grand Forks, a lower chance at seeing some of this activity, but that track taking it from southeast North Dakota through Lakes Country and into the Arrowhead of Minnesota throughout the day. And exiting by the time we get to the middle of the overnight. By Thursday morning, we'll have some snow on the ground to deal with, but all of us will have cold as well. A trace for many areas, mainly north of the FM area. We could see close to an inch in Fargo, according to this model, and in isolated areas picking up 2 to 4 inches of that wet, sticky, sloppy snow to drive in. So first alert weather day for your Wednesday, a return of wintry conditions, and we'll wave goodbye to record-setting heat, which today topped out at near 60 degrees in Grand Forks, crushing an old record of 48 degrees. 57 today, breaking a record in Fargo, and we're down to 51 at the airport. It's 52 at Moorhead's Airport. That wind a little quieter right now at 8 miles per hour. Elsewhere, out to the west, still some 50s out there for Jamestown, 48 Langdon. Valley City, you also have 50 degrees. Across northwest Minnesota from Thief River Falls, we have temperatures in the low 50s, 50 as well for Bedette, and 52 in Fergus Falls at this hour. All in all, lovely conditions continue as clouds spread our way. The radar picking up a few green blips here that are up at cloud level. These are not reaching the ground in all likelihood. The clouds, though, are going to help keep us from getting too cold. Unsettled weather in the Pacific Northwest. Huge cutoff storm system there. And another one making its way out of the Central Rockies. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast for tonight. Clouds on the increase. The wind will stay breezy in our southern counties, and temperatures will slip down to only the 30s and near 40, thanks to the fact that we have winds and clouds passing overhead. That's a warmer start than this morning, which was in the 20s, and we still broke records. As we go through the day, gusty south winds 25 to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures in the midday hour near 60 already in the Southern Valley. And then as we go into the afternoon, check this out. This is not a typo. We could see some 70s in southeast North Dakota and eastern South Dakota as we go through the afternoon. But look at this, snow and cold moving in. Our wind changes direction from gusty southerly to gusty northwesterly, and back comes a slap of winter right across the cheekbones of the valley as we go into the nighttime hours. By Wednesday morning, some of us will be over 30 degrees colder. In Fargo, 43 to start your day, ramping things up to a record-breaking 63 degrees in the afternoon. We're expecting those winds to be westerly and southerly at first and then becoming northwesterly late, ushering in that 30s at 4 o'clock up in the Devil's Lake Basin, 40s, 50s, 60s, even 70s in that time frame as we'll have some wild and dynamic weather here in the valley. Beautiful photo here, Sherry. Thanks for sharing. First alert weather day Wednesday, cold for everyone. 30 degrees or so, cooler, and snow for some south and east. Then quieter weather right through the weekend as we spring our clocks forward, Andrea. And then I told you there'd be another one. I have details on this tonight, but a more potent storm could be on the way for Monday with wind and snow. We'll keep you posted.
You always do. Thanks.